Morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is Stephen here from Dart South Africa, the development director. As you all know by now, we're gonna host the South Africa versus Austria friendly match over the weekend. Austria team has arrived last night. We also have the president of the Africa Darts Council with us. Tomorrow we will be having presentations from Dart South Africa in terms of development within the country, our 180 plus program. We will have Nolan Arendse speaking about the growth of the professional wing within Dart South Africa. Our president, Mr. Graham Stark, will talk about Dart South Africa, the state of Dart South Africa. Mr. Danny Pillay will be there. So we have a meeting tomorrow where there will be some presentations that we will be making. As you know, the Austria President, Mr. Dietmar, is also one of the World Darts Federation officials. So he's in the meeting. And then, of course, Doctor from Egypt, who's the Africa Darts Council President. So for us as South Africa, it's a real honor to have them here with us, so that we can present South Africa, the state of darts in our country, how we grow as Darts South Africa, what is our aim, what is our vision, and we're going to share it with the rest of them. And of course, we will broadcast this meeting tomorrow with the presentations that will be presented to the delegation, and you will be able to follow it live on Facebook. The Austria team today, they went on an excursion to the Elephant Sanctuary, Lion Park, just to some other tourist attractions, just to have a little bit of South Africa or welcoming here by us. And for them, it's the first time being in South Africa, so they are just exploring our lovely country. We are staying here at the Sarabi Lodge in Pomona. This is the venue where we are booked in. All the delegations for South Africa and for Austria, we are staying here at the Sarabi Lodge. I would just like to show you around where we are at the Sarabi Lodge in Pomona, Kempton Park area. This is the lodge where we are staying. Let me just show you. This is the reception where we are now. You can see this is Sarabi Lodge, guys. I will speak to the manager now so that she can give you more information. If you are interested, if you're watching from outside South Africa and you would like to look for a place to stay in Johannesburg, I would recommend Sarabi Lodge. This is how you can see here. Nice relaxed area, some couches here where you can sit, relax. Here's our reception. Warm welcome. Our reception, Sarabi Lodge. Show you here some of the dining hall areas. You can see it's a very nice place, neat, tidy. So this is where the South Africa delegation and the Austrian delegation will be staying over the weekend. The Austria will leave on Tuesday, but our event will end on Sunday evening with a closing function. And then, of course, Friday evening we will have an open ceremony, which will be also live streamed. And then all the games that we will be playing over the weekend will be live streamed on the Dart South Africa website, webpage, or Facebook page, sorry. We will stream on the Dart South Africa Facebook page. I will also stream from my Facebook page. Just take you outside here, just showing you the lodge where we are. This is all in Johannesburg, in Kempton Park, where we are. We've got 2 portable dartboards set up here for the players. The youth, Austria came last night. I think we arrived at the venue about 11 o'clock last night. Then they had their dinner at 11 at night after a long 12-hour flight. And still some of the youth came and practiced some darts here. So we've got 2 dart portable stands here. I must say thank you to Gus Lightning for the surrounding, and thank you to Ernest from Route 501 who came and did the setup and everything for our players who's here. Even our South Africa players that will be arriving also can Friday, they can play here or warm up before we go to the venue. Of course, the games will be played at the Calvin Power Station, which is the Ekurhuleni North Darts Association venue. That is, it's 100 Sterling Road, Calvin Power Station. That's where the games will be played, and anyone is welcome, free of charge, to come and watch the event Saturday and Sunday at the Calvin Power Station. Yeah, this is the venue where we are, guys. See the Rondavels, accommodation, quite nice for the guys from Austria, Egypt, whoever coming, our international guests, to come and visit us here. I must say thank you to the management of Sarabi Lodge who have arranged everything. Everything is on point. Our delegation that's here so far really enjoying it. So I just would like to encourage you guys, follow us over the weekend where we will be playing at the Calvin Power Station. If you're around in Johannesburg area, pop in, come and support both teams, South Africa and of course our visitors from Austria. You're welcome to come and interact with them. It's also a good competition because, as you all know, South Africa will be traveling in September to South Korea to the WDF World Cup, and our teams that's participating this weekend will be the teams traveling to South Korea. So it's a good practice session for them as well, I think, for both countries to practice in preparation to the World Cup. Here at the reception, there's some information where the tourists can see various things, what is to do in Johannesburg area. Let's see. I just want to have a word with the manager of the Sarabi Lodge. I just see she's on the phone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. I will speak to the manager later on, as she's still busy with arranging some things and so on. Let's not disturb her. But yes, this is the venue where we are staying, Sarabi Lodge. Quite a nice place, and I think our delegation is really enjoying it. The scenery, everything you can see, nice South African vibe. So thank you, and follow me over the weekend. Go on to Darts South Africa Facebook page and follow the games. We will be streaming live from tomorrow morning, our meeting, our opening ceremony, our closing ceremony, and then the games will be on Darts Connect. Darts Connect, you can also follow the games on Darts Connect, and then there will be a board streaming for each section that will have a live stream to show you that you can follow the matches on Darts Connect or on our Facebook account. Thank you very much. This is Stephen out here from Sarabi Lodge with our friendly match, South Africa versus Austria. Thank you very much.